right, boys and girls, I want you to go grab your first grade reader's notebook and open it up to page number 5. So today we have to, it looks like this on the front. Today we have to write in something called a noun. A noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. And today we are just going to think about nouns are people and animals. Oh my gosh. So you're going to listen to the nouns in the word bank. Word bank is just a fancy word for this little box with all these words. Read along. Write nouns from the box to name the people and animals in the picture. So let's take a look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Who do you see? So nouns on this page are asking the question who. Who asks about a person or an animal? These are the words, and we're going to be looking for these nouns in the picture. This is the first word. It says bird. Do you see a bird? This picture says fireman. Do you see the fireman? This picture says grandma. Do you see a grandma? And this is the word, let's read this one together. Dog. Dog. Let's take a look at the picture. Who is this? This is who is it? Yes, a fireman. We're going to write the word for fireman up here. And I'm writing with a cursor, which is really hard. Oh, I'm not going to fit on the line. So we're going to have to try to write smaller. And I made a little error because I went off the page. Now, I'm going to make my writing a little smaller, and next time I'll try to do it smaller. So then we come over here and we cross out the word fireman. Let's go back to, you can find a picture you can find a drawing in the picture, or you can go from the words to the picture. But I found the picture first. Who is this? This is a noun that is called a bird. B. We're matching the first letter. Make sure. That one's dog. Bird. How hard? B and D, we've got to make sure we know. B's point this way. D's point that way. So we're going to label the bird, which is also a noun. B, and make sure you're forming your letters correctly. I, starting at the plain line. R, plain line down to the grass line. Follow it back up and do a little curve over. D, you curve back from the plain line. Kind of make a C, close it up with a line up, down. So we have bird, fireman. The next picture is grandma. Grandma is also a noun because a grandma is a person. There's the grandma. Okay, I'm going to start over here since I write super large. G R A, that's super sloppy, I'm sorry, N D M. Now, normally I'd be writing neater. A. I want you to form your letters the right way. Grandma. And there's the grandma. And last word we have is what? Read it. Dog. Dog. There's the dog. It's a dachshund. And this is an easy one to write, but let's form our D's correctly. D goes this way. D. G. And G, remember, goes down to the worm line. Okay, boys and girls, I hope that this helped you today, finishing page 5 in your reader's notebook. Don't forget to write your first name and your last name on the line up here, and you can send it to your teacher when you're finished.